This lentil soup, called dal, is like a warm hug in a bowl. It's full of yummy spices and super easy to make. People in India and nearby countries eat dal all the time. It's a great healthy meal. You can eat it with rice or flatbreads like naan or roti. Let's start cooking. First, let's get everything we need. You'll need lentils. Red lentils, also called masoor dal, cook fast and make a smooth soup. Yellow lentils or moong dal work great too. We'll use spices to make our dal taste amazing. Turmeric, cumin, and coriander are important. Garam masala adds a warm flavor. Onions, garlic, and ginger add even more taste. Lastly, you'll need some tomatoes. First, rinse the lentils until the water is clear. Then, cook them in a pot with water. Let them simmer until they're soft. While the lentils cook, we'll make the flavor base. Heat some oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and cook until they're golden brown. Add the garlic and ginger. Cook for a minute. Now add your spices. Cook for another minute. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook until they get soft. Now add the cooked lentils to the pan. Mix everything together. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Add some water if you want a thinner soup. Taste the dal and add salt if you need to. A little lemon juice is tasty too. Sprinkle some fresh cilantro on top. Serve your dal hot with rice or flatbread. Enjoy.